Amazing Grace, and welcome back again to my channel. As you can see, I am in our kitchen. You can see our cabinet. It's still open where I put all this plastic wares together, together with this baking bowl or measuring bowl. And now I want to make something simple but very delicious, and it is macaroni soup. And I'm going to show you now the ingredients of our macaroni soup that you can also copy and enjoy with your family. So today's episode, or today's cooking, and for today's menu, I have only few champignon or mushroom. So I decided to add it also instead of throwing it away, because then if I'm not going to use it now, but this is optional, the mushroom. But the main ingredients of our macaroni is, of course, we have garlic, onion, chopped into cubes, the carrots. We have this for once your macaroni is or once the soup is cooked, you can add this as a garnish. We have Chinese cabbage, and we have this hot dog. I cut it into small, like bite size, but it's not bite size, it's smaller than that. Then I have a chicken that is grilled chicken, and I boil it for maybe 2 minutes, and then I shredded it. So we're gonna need also pepper, salt, macaroni. Of course, you can decide what kind of pasta you're gonna use, but not spaghetti, okay? And then we have milk. I'm using lactose-free milk because yes, I can't drink milk with lactose. And we have chicken cubes, and we're gonna need small amount of butter for frying our onion and garlic. And the soup that I'm going to use is the soup that I use, or the water that I use to boil this. So all the taste is there. That's the reason I'm gonna using chicken cubes for the taste. So let's begin. First we're gonna take small piece of or small amount of butter and put it in our casserole. There you go. Then we're gonna add our onion first, and then garlic, because garlic is easily to burn. So we need to add the onion first. So there you go, guys. I am sauteing our garlic and onion. Once it's light brown, we can add our shredded chicken, and then our broth. I just added our chicken. I add our mushroom too, and I'm gonna add our broth to the casserole. There you go. I'm adding it. We're gonna need to use a lot because the macaroni will make our soup very little. So there you go. Now we're gonna add our macaroni and our carrots, because guys, this is not going to take longer time, and our macaroni will just only, the cooking time or the cooking process is 7 to 9 minutes. I'm going to add our macaroni pasta. There you go. Also gonna add our carrots like this, and I'm going to add our broth, or the chicken cubes. After adding all the ingredients into our casserole, you see guys, it's boiling. So what we're gonna do is to stir it first, then we're gonna add all our ingredients, guys, and then we can control the taste of the soup, because then it's done. That's all, guys. You only need to add, and then just check if your macaroni is 100% cooked. So we're gonna add our milk and our hot dog. So first we're gonna add our hot dog. Just add, because our hot dog doesn't need a longer time cooking. This is half cooked already, and everything is perfect. Then we're gonna add our milk. And this yellow thing, guys, is the oil from our butter. Now we're gonna add our milk to make it look creamy. I'm using whole milk. So there you go. Perfect. And then we're gonna stir Then we're gonna add our salt and pepper. And the last thing that we're going to add in here, guys, you see, guys, once it's done, it's going to be creamy. Perfect. And then we're going to add the last part that the last thing that we're going to add into our soup is the cabbage and the garnish. And then you can also add boiled egg as your garnish. So we're gonna add our pepper. I use the pulver pepper, and then we're gonna add, I think I need to use my 2 hands to add salt. Now it's moving because it's simmering. So the last part that we're going to add, like what I said earlier, is the Chinese cabbage or any cabbage you have at home. So this is the soup with many vegetables and very healthy, and I'm sure your kids are going to like. Then you can eat it with buttered or garlic bread. Perfect, guys. So we're gonna soak it down, and then once it's going to boil, we're gonna simmer it for 3 minutes. Then our macaroni soup is done. You see how creamy it is. Yummy. Perfect. And so our soup is simmering, and this is already done, and it's ready to serve. So we're gonna try. Don't wait until all the milk bubbles like so much. So let's take some or taste some macaroni. There you go, guys. You need to mix a little bit and then take like this. Whoops. And pour into our bowl. It's so yummy. So this is how our macaroni soup look like, and then we can garnish it with this, and of course we can add boiled egg, but this is only optional. There you go. So it's perfect and it's ready to serve. And so let's try the soup, or just a little bit. I wanna taste because it's crazy warm, so we need to be very careful. We can wait until it's a little bit cool. So there you go. Perfect, guys. This kind of food, I'm sure that your children is going to love. Pair it with garlic bread or any bread, flat bread, any bread that you can put some butter or nothing. It's up to you. So this is Amazing Grace again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned and enjoyed watching this cooking process, and I hope that you're going to apply it also to your home. Yummy creamy macaroni.